Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. I said I wasn't gonna get emotional. I did. I just haven't seen y'all so long. I just really missed y'all, but I can't miss y'all as much as I say I do because I never film. But I'm trying, okay? I'm trying. I'm like that ex, you know, like if I feel like you're moving on from me, I'm like, hey baby, why you gonna remember me? Look at this, look what I can do. Ooh, come back. That's how I am basically. So I'm like, are y'all watching other people's videos? Better not be. Anyway, I'm doing this look for you guys today. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, please. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, says the person who never films. But I'm for real. I'm for real this time. Y'all gotta trust me. Y'all gotta trust me this time. I'm gonna have a whole bunch of videos. I'm about to go on a video binge tonight because my makeup is done. It's 10 o'clock and I'm wired. I had whatever it was, snow cone, it was sugary. Okay, I'm on PCP basically right now. Don't call my job. I'm roll the tape.
Hola. So the first thing I'm doing is beating myself up with this primer potion. I don't know why I have to be so rough. Then I'm going to take this color from MAC. I don't even know what color it's called anymore, but it's just a light brown. My sister actually gave it to me, so it's a really good transition color. And y'all have to excuse me, my keyboard broke. So I'm going to take my Morphe palette. I'm going to go ahead and list what it is. Once I get to my job, I'm going to do that at my job, y'all. I got to put the put the topics in the description box or the products. I'm taking that orange out of that same Morphe palette and I'm just going to go ahead and blend it. That's also going to be part of my little sunset transition right there. Next, you cannot see it, but I'm taking this NYX, basically the same thing as Milk. It's just a white primer base. I'm going to put that all over my lid. My little baby hooded lids. So yeah, my keyboard is broken. I spilled wine on it, man. You know, the fall was a really rough time for me. Anyway, so then I'm taking this orange again and I'm going to go ahead and put it in the middle of my lid. I really don't know what I was thinking, what I was going for at first, but you're going to see in a second, whatever I initially thought, I just changed my mind completely. So I'm going to put this orange in the middle of my lid. Then I'm going to take that same yellow and I'm going to go ahead and just dabble in my inner corner, right in the tear ducts. And then obviously I changed my mind. I put that orange all over the back of my lid. Where did that footage go? I don't even know, but I put the orange all over my lid. This is depressing. We're gonna keep going. Alright, I'm gonna spray this Mario Badescu spray. Then I'm using my Maybelline Stay 24-hour Stay matte something. I don't even know. Look, just read the description box, okay? I'm taking this e.l.f. powder brush. Obviously it's supposed to be a powder brush, but I do what I really want to do. e.l.f. ain't gonna tell me what I'm gonna use it for. Okay. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and take my Black Opal foundation and Mocha. This is, after 3 years, it's finally over. Dang, I didn't have the heart to throw it away, but definitely using it for my contour. Moment of silence. Who am I talking to? I live alone. That's creepy. Then I'm taking my LA Girl Pro. This color is Warm Honey. I don't know why this color ended up looking so pink on me. I did not like this color anymore. Like, I need to go back to my NARS. My bank account can't go back to NARS. Okay? It's going to stay in the beauty supply until further notice. Gonna go ahead and blend that out using my Real Technique Beauty Blender. I really hope someone sees how poor my editing has become because of my computer, and some rich man's like, I want to help you, and he just sends me like a Mac. It could be a woman too. I don't care. I'm taking that blending color that I used for my eyes, that brown in from that MAC shadow, I don't know what it was, for to contour my nose. And then I decided from the Morphe palette I was going to use some of that gold at the way bottom to just tap into my inner tear ducts just to make it look more glam. It was kind of looking a little dull. Okay, then I'm taking this color from MAC. It's called, I'm doing this all by memory, Everlasting Love, Enchanted Love, something. I mean, anyway, so here's my highlighter that I'm using from ColourPop Cosmetics. It's called Glow Up. I still love this. I'm really still looking for a gold like this, and I really need to try the trophy from Rihanna, Trophy Wife, to see if I like it as much as I like this. But Mama doesn't like change unless it's in my pocket. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and put that under my brow bone there. Next, I'm going to take a Beauty Supply lip gloss that I got, and it's like, I think it's like a strawberry color. It's like a tint to it. To me, I don't really see a tint, but there you have it. So I didn't have any Vogue shots of me, so here's a picture of me looking at my phone in slow motion. That should suffice. Well, that's all, guys. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Next video is going up pretty soon. Don't miss it. Don't.